And that is K.A. Sengottayan, the leader from AIADMK, who was recently expelled. And there you see, that is Sengottayan, who is making a very big decision in his career right now. After nearly 50 years of being in AIADMK, Sengottayan was expelled from the party for rebelling and making certain decisions against EPS and his governance. And what has happened right now is that he has decided to actually, we've been told that he is over at the secretariat where he will meet the speaker, and it is expected for him to resign. However, the speculations does not end here, as Sengottayan is also expected to join Tamizhaga Vetri Kazhagam. Initial step, this is supposed to be happening over here. In fact, as we speak, Sengottayan is inside and he is actually meeting the speaker right now. On the visuals, you would see what is happening, and this is a very important decision that you see over here. That is K.A. Sengottayan, who is right now at the speaker's place. We also have Appavu at this point, and K.A. Sengottayan, as we speak, is actually, we've been told that he is resigning from his MLA position. And here, that is Sengottayan, one of the strong men from AIADMK, somebody who has been within the party for nearly 50 years, has now decided to resign from. Expected to be a very big step that you see over here, and that is K.A. Sengottayan, who is writing over there, and in Tamil he has written that he is resigning. What we see over here is that he is also handing over a copy to the speaker. That is K.A. Sengottayan, who, and the speaker is also over there. He's also taking it from his hand, and in fact, it's being said that 26 முதல் நான் தமிழ்நாடு பேரவை உறுப்பினர் பதவியிலிருந்து விலகிக் கொள்கிறேன், which means I am resigning from the party, from the position of MLA. And behind us is K.A. Sengottayan, who is resigning from his MLA post after being expelled from AIADMK. This is very crucial because there are a lot of rumors that post this, Sengottayan is expected to join Tamizhaga Vetri Kazhagam, which can turn into a huge political point for Tamil Nadu elections in 2026. And that is Sengottayan over here. He is also right now speaking to the speaker, where he has also given his resignation letter, and at this point he is here with the speaker. In fact, we've been also told that there are possibility that DMK is also trying to rope in Sengottayan to their party as well, but that is another set of rumor. The initial rumor is that there are high chances for Sengottayan, which means the Red Fort, there is that he is expecting to join Tamizhaga Vetri Kazhagam. And as an initial step here, this is happening right in front of us, a very important step, milestone that is occurring over here, and the speaker is having a conversation with Sengottayan over his decision of resigning from the party. And that's what you see over here, a very, very crucial step in the Tamil Nadu Assembly elections 2026, which you see. And this can have a wide repercussion because Sengottayan is a strong man and such, and Sengottayan is supposed to also have a lot of effect on when it comes to Erode area, some of the same place where EPS is also, Edappadi K. Palaniswamy is also said to have a kind of strength. And now one of the strong deputies who was with MGR, who was with Jayalalitha, is right now in front of us, and he has decided to resign from AIADMK, something it was never even dreamt of to be happening, but right now in front of our eyes this is happening. And there is K.A. Sengottayan, who has given his resignation to Appavu as we speak. The Speaker of Tamil Nadu Assembly, K.A. Sengottayan, is no longer an MLA from AIADMK. This is expected to have a huge repercussion, as if after this, if he joins the Tamizhaga Vetri Kazhagam, whatever Vijay on the ground, the kind of need he had, a leader with experience, that kind of strength he had, now Tamizhaga Vetri Kazhagam will get that. And that's what you see inside the speaker's chamber over here. These are visuals that we are bringing you from the speaker's chambers where this has occurred right now. This is what is happening at this spot right now. With Irfan, Pramod Madhav for India Today.